Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, an intern at Lexis and Company, and I'm pursuing BA This is my first year. As I've told you earlier, we are continuing the video I put earlier. It was about habeas corpus. Now today we'll talk about mandamus. Uh, Starting with the literal meaning of the word of mandamus is command. This prerogative remedy of mandamus is used for enforcing the performance of the public duties by the public authorities of all kinds. Now, the writ of mandamus demands some activity on part of the person or body to whom it is addressed. The demand is to perform a public and quasi-public duty which the body or a person has refused to perform and the performance of which cannot be enforced by any other legal remedy. Therefore, it is that no mandamus will lie except when the applicant has a legal right to seek the performance of the legal duty and the authority against which the writ is sought is bound to perform that duty. Now, where did mandamus had its origin from? The origin of the writ mandamus can be traced back to the England, where the king, as the authoritarian autocrat of the administrative setup, used to issue a mandamus to his subjects, commanding them to fulfill their public duty asked of them many times during the course of the day. Since its origin, the writ has been used to compel the performance of a wide range of public and quasi-public duties that have been refused in an unlawful manner. Uh, Now, Supreme Court of India on mandamus. In the case of Union of India versus SB Varaksi, the Supreme Court of India held as following. Uh, a writ of mandamus may be issued in favor of the person who establishes the legal right in himself. It may be issued against a person who has a legal duty to perform but has failed or has neglected to do so. Such a legal duty emanates by operation of law. The writ of mandamus is most extensive in regards to its remedial nature. The object of the mandamus is to prevent disorder emanating from failure of justice and is required to be granted in all cases where law has established no specific remedy. But the other important Supreme Court judgments, they were like more. Skipping the part, as we have discussed the writ of mandamus is also available against inferior courts and other judicial bodies when they have refused to exercise their jurisdiction and thus resulting in non-performing of legal duties. There are different purposes for which the writ jurisdiction through mandamus can be exercised. It can have been issued for the violation of the fundamental rights. Uh, Also, the High Court can invoke mandamus for the purposes other than enforcement of fundamental right, some of which are to enforce the performance of statutory duty, where the public officer has got a power conferred by the Constitution or statute. The court may issue a mandamus directing him to exercise the power in case he refuses to do it, to compel a court or judicial tribunal to exercise its jurisdiction when it has refused to exercise it, to direct public officials or the government not to enforce a law that is unconstitutional. Now, instances where mandamus will be issued against the state to refund the tax it collected illegally, against the university if they change the regulation after the candidate has appeared in the exam to his disadvantage, where the government neither records nor communicates to the parties the reasons for not making the reference under section 12.5 of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. An aggrieved party can seek the legal recourse of mandamus. There are many more. So this was it for today. The writ of the mandamus has been issued in Supreme Court under the Article 32, which was very important. I'm so sorry, and under High Court in Article 260, 226. This was all for today, and if there's any feedback or question related to the content, do let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, this video does not solicit any kind of promotions or advertisements according to the Bar Council of India. It's for educational purposes only. Uh, if you like the video, if you like the content, please like it and subscribe. Let's click for more videos like this.